Hi everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session, we will solve this question number 5 of exercise 12.2. Okay, question number 5 is exactly same as we have solved question number 4 second segment. That is what should be subtracted. Instead of writing what should be subtracted, here it is written what should be taken away from this expression so that it must or we can be able to obtain this expression है ना. So again students, let us understand this example, this problem by considering one simple example है ना. Like suppose here we are having 6. So from 6 how much we should take away means we have to subtract है ना. So suppose how much we should take away means subtract how much so that it become this expression, or you can say suppose 3 है ना. So now you will say that here we should subtract 3 from 6 so that we could get 3, right? Meaning what? You are subtracting this given expression. This is the given expression and this is obtained. Okay, means from this expression you are subtracting this expression. Means here see 6 minus 3, then here you are getting 3. Similarly, if you will subtract this expression from this expression, then you will get the required expression that you need to obtain. Okay, so this is the simple logic that you have to apply in such case of in such questions, students. Okay, so now I am going to solve the problem. Okay, so simply here I am going to write 3x square minus 4 y square plus 5x y plus 20, then put one bracket here, then subtract this obtained expression, that is minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20. Okay, as you can see, if you will face any problem, then you can see this expression. How much must be subtracted from 6 so that we could get 3. So here answer 3 means you are subtracting this 6 from 3, then you are getting 3. Similarly, here from this given expression we will subtract this, then we will get the required or whatever the expression that we need to obtain. Now simply break the bracket, students, followed by equal to sign 3x square. See here before the bracket plus sign is there, so whatever terms are inside the bracket they will not interchange their signs. Okay, so we will write it as it is. Okay, now 4y square as it is plus 5xy as it is plus 20 as it is minus, now see here under before the bracket minus sign is there, and here if you will break this bracket, then all the terms inside the bracket will change its sign. Means what? Here minus x square is there, so it will become plus x square. Here minus y square is there, so it will become plus y square. Here plus 6y is there, so it will become minus 6xy. Here plus 20 was there, so it will become minus 20. Now write all the like terms together and perform the arithmetic operation. Okay, now write all the terms containing x square, that is 3x square plus x square. So 3x square plus x square, now minus 4y square, then plus y square plus 5xy, then minus 6xy, then plus 20 and then minus 20. Okay, now this plus 20 and minus 20 will cancel each other, students. Now here 3x square plus x square means nothing, both are having plus sign, so 3 plus 1 you will get here 4 followed by the variable that is x square. Now here one positive, one negative, so here we will subtract and consider the sign of greater number. Here greater number is 4, it's having sign minus, so in the result we will get minus. Now if you will subtract 4 minus 1, you will get 3y square. Now again here 1 plus 1 minus, so we will subtract them and consider the sign of greater number. So 6 minus 5 you will get 1, and since 6 is greater having sign minus, so here in the result we will have minus, and 1 means simply xy. Okay, here 1 is there. Now these were cancelled. So this is the required expression, students, that you need to obtain. Okay, now like this we are finding out. If you will face any problem, then again and again I am repeating myself, just you have to see this expression, or you have to form one expression like this, that suppose how much should be subtracted, or how much should be taken away, or how much should be added. These all questions are similar and you can correlate with such kind of expressions. Okay, so this was your question number 5th. I hope you might have understood, and thank you for connecting with me.